Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Today, we're here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.09%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.52% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would present a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $188.19, it could signal a strong buy opportunity and a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 1.02% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between minus 12.08% and minus 0.626%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a 32.26% change over the next year, with a potential return range between 19.66% and 49.57%. If this projection holds true, the stock price could be expected to range between $224.29 and $280.35 after a year. Our latest update for Apple brings exciting news. The stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, the Apple stock price experienced a positive growth of 1.43%. It went from $184.80 to $187.44. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $186.31 and a high of $188.11, with a 0.97% difference. In the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 9.76%, showing its upward trend. Notably, volume has also increased, which is a positive technical sign. In just one day, 17 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, reaching a total of 57 million shares traded. The total value of these shares amounts to approximately $10.73 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the price is 5.44% below the 52-week high, which means it is at $10.78 lower than the highest point. Moreover, it is 17.88% below the all-time high achieved on August 30, 2018, when the price reached an impressive $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong recommendation to buy, with a strong buy rating. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Apple stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Apple. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also supports a buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support at $183.57 and $176.23. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 12.31%. This indicates a potential for further growth until a new top pivot is reached. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also supports a buy signal. The price is rising along with increasing volume, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands are also indicating a buy signal, observed 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal, identified 12 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal, recognized 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart analysis. The short moving average is giving a buy signal, observed 10 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal, recognized 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple stock. When it comes to downside support, Apple stock has 2 key levels to watch. The first one is at $177.56, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall further to the next level at $175.84. It's important to keep an eye on these support levels, as they can indicate potential price movements. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. Whenever a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk of it breaking down. In the case of Apple, if the $177.56 support is broken, the next support level to watch for is at $175.84 and $175.01. These levels act as a safety net for the stock, preventing it from falling further. When it comes to trading this stock, it's important to consider its average movements during the day. With good trading volume, Apple's risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $1.81, or 0.97%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.18%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Apple, it's important to understand some fundamental data that can impact the stock. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within a normal range, which is often seen in established businesses with consistent revenues. Moving on to other news, Apple's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $1.39. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to dive into the potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $187.65. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who currently hold the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus among multiple analyst sources is that Apple has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. One notable insider, Condo Chris, has recently bought and sold a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations indicate a negative insider power with a ratio of -21.474. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,785,262 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $180.44, which is a decrease of 3.74%. This stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 77, which significantly increases the risk factor. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 13 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are positive signals in the short term for Apple stock. This suggests that the current level could be a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 15th, we anticipate Apple to open down by $0.155 and start trading at $187.29. Before we begin, it's important to emphasize that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you great success. Thank you for joining us today. Have a wonderful day, and best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.